watching the fireworks.
Yeah, we're gonna like show you them and stuff.
And like
Yeah.
also we're gonna be eating before that.
Yeah, we
And-
got done swimming a little bit ago.
Yeah, we were gonna
It was
show you
fun.
that footage, but
yeah.
it got deleted.
It's
Sorry
a
about
collab
that.
between Penguin Studios
and Creative Chaos 207 me.
shout out to the person recording this, my mother,
Hi, here I am.
And me
and
and Dad.
our dogs.
Oh yeah, that's what we're doing right now. You're supposed to be
Jim.
giving them their dinner.
And
All right, who do we have here?
This is
Twilight,
Twyla,
baby girlie.
and that's Bree.
Hey, baby.
There's Brady. Whoops.
Hey, baby.
They're hungry.
Oh, baby. Baby.
Yeah. So
And come over here.
yeah,
Penguins.
penguins.
Camera lady.
All right, what are you doing now?
We're gonna be feeding the piggies. The
This
guinea
isn't just the
pigs.
4th of July special. This is like the pet special.
Yeah.
Well,
The guinea
everyone's
pigs.
celebrating.
Yeah.
It's America's 250th birthday.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the guinea pigs are gonna be eating some watermelon.
Watermelon.
This is a big treat for
Oh,
them.
be
So,
right back.
This is a
So-
treat. Wait,
so
did I
it's
just see a
on-
popcorn? Hold on.
so
Oh,
it's
they're
on-
popcorning.
so it's on a holiday.
Oh, they're excited. Here, do you want to meet up? Here, why don't I open it and then you can go right in here.
Yeah.
Grab that dog blanket.
That one.
Go.
Cute little ones.
Oops.
Would you like a gourmet piece of watermelon? Don't ask how that's possible, but it is. Do you want some? I don't think they can mine. Oh yeah. Now they are. Oh, they're so cute, little potato. Do you like some? Oh, it's so juicy.
Oh yeah, by the way, guys, these are my guinea pigs.
Our
The one,
guinea pigs.
the one I am feeding is potato.
And the
On
one
the
that
left, yeah.
I'm feeding on the right is Petunia.
Remember that now.
Yeah. The one with brown and white is Petunia. The one with black, white, and brown is Potato. Also, yes, there is brown on her. It's just,
She got it.
it's just, you can't see it right now.
Oh.
They're feasting.
Oh my god, it's so all over her. Petunia gets everything that's juicy
She's
all
so
over her.
happy.
Well, it's like she just ate someone.
She's so loving this. It's like she just put red marker all over her face.
Oh, you got it. No, it's okay. She can have it. She can have it.
I know, I just want to feed it to her.
I know, but if she wants to take it, it's okay.
Now she's mad at you. She
No,
doesn't
she's
want
chewing.
She's chewing. She doesn't want to eat it.
Look at her messy little face.
it. They're so fat and happy.
You want your juicy wine?
Oh.
Oh, she's
She,
mad.
no, she's like
Coughed.
choked on a piece.
Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna let you have this.
And potato is just kind of like hiding.
Potatoes over there in the
Eating the
corner.
green part.
They can eat the whole thing.
Oh, I did not know that.
Mhm.
I'm just gonna put that for you. Oh,
Oh, you're not in it. Don't worry.
yeah. Guys, if you like this video, you're gonna like a lot of your content, of our content.
Yeah, go to Creative Chaos
Chaos
207.
207 and
If you can find it.
yeah, sorry, it's a very slow channel.
It's a
What? It's just started. It's a
Well,
baby
yeah,
channel. Is
true.
what it, it's just a weird baby. It just needs
There's
new friends.
there's usually Petunia and Potato on
And there's
it.
one, and it's
Here, you want to hold it?
it's there too.
Sorry, I got my finger in it.
You can get closer.
No, it's just that we
You can
sometimes.
expect our fingers to get in the way of the camera a lot. Okay?
Yeah.
So, we're sorry.
No, it's not a sorry thing. Come on, it's just we're young. Also, if you want to see more content of us, of the Game Pigs, it's on our channel. It's on Creative Chaos 207. I know. And also, yeah. So
Get some good ASMR there.
What about Penguin Studios?
this is gonna be on Penguin Studios.
Oh, the hand. There you go. Alright. Oh. Stop doing that, girl. Hey, you want me to hold it?
Yeah. Be careful, you're right there.
Were there clean clothes upstairs?
That little tiny ASMR pig. Guinea pig ASMR. There's an unfinished watermelon on the ground. They just don't care anymore.
They got a little camera shy.
Okay.
Kind of like stage rock.
Well, okay.
You want this one?
Well,
Yay!
Cool.
They're loving it.
Yeah.
Good job.
you're very
Happy 4th of July!
Yay! Yeah, it's 4th of July at the time of recording this.
Yeah, I think we've said that a couple times.
Maybe.
Maybe.
We'll try to put up a counter of how many times we've said it.
No.
By the way, it's 4th of July. Just so you know.
There you know.
Did they though?
Oh,
We're good. Whoa!
Top down view.
Freaked out.
By the way, I have some guinea pig content on my channel. I have like one short and
a
it's
little bit of it.
it's of them eating with Doom music.
Oh, pause it.
Oh, she went into her house.
Yes, they have house.
Anyway,
Guinea pigs.
smooth transition. This feels like the perfect time to talk about the sponsor of today's videos. Penguins! Penguins are really cool. You should.
And also, this
Yeah.
is sponsored by Penguins because Jack's channel is Penguin Studios.
Did you know that some penguins propose with a smooth rock? Yeah, that's cool.
Back to my mom.
I'm not gonna tell any more penguin facts. That's the sponsor of today's video. Yay! Hi guys, we're going to be on our way to the fireworks.
And I'm here too, guys. Yeah.
She's still here, yeah. We're almost there, and I'm super excited. Oh yeah, we are.
15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah, I misspoke. Sorry, guys. But we're gonna be on our way soon, and I'm so excited.
Same. Sorry, I sound like so not excited.
She's focused on that.
Yeah, I'm focusing on this.
She's got her busy book. Anyway, we'll see you then. Okay.
Bye.
Hello, guys. So, I'm back. Look at the sunset. She's still here too. Yeah, this is where we're gonna see the
Fireworks.
yeah, fireworks, and
There's a lot of people, as you can see.
yeah, I'm really excited actually.
Yeah.
There are all the flashy lights and stuff.
Yeah.
Cars, that's kind of fun. Yeah, it's just awesome.
Yeah.
Look at that cloud. Wow. Cloud. There's my mom and my dada. So yeah, I'll show you when the fireworks start. Guys, the fireworks have started. Check it out. Whoa. This is so cool. Whoa. I wonder if it's going to be a super loud one. It looks crazy on my. It looks crazy on the camera.
It does.
Yeah, like everything's like.
The colors are more faded.
By the way, pretty much the only things you're gonna hear are just whoa, ooh, ho, ho.
I'm like,
Whoa! That one wasn't even the coolest.
look up.
Oh well, there's a plane.
Yeah.
There we go.
Ooh.
That was cool. Yeah, last time, this is a lot cooler than last time. Last time it was way louder. It wasn't nearly as cool.
Yeah, and I had.
Whoa! That was
And
big.
also, this time, I can nearly do a cartwheel.
Yeah.
Let me show you my practice cartwheel.
Maybe later. No.
Okay, I'll do it. I won't do it.
It's. Never mind.
It's time.
I'll tell you later. Oh. Whoa! James. Whoa! That one was cool. Imagine if they somehow do like an American flag one. I don't think they can, but like maybe. By the way, I zoomed in the camera son, so we're not like actually this close.
Yeah.
Like non-zoomed in this how far it is.
Yeah.
Oh, that is not good.
Sorry.
It isn't actually this far. This is a little. This is just better for the
Yeah.
video.
This is not actually how close we are. We're way farther than this.
It's.
But it looks.
It looks like a little more like this.
Right. Yeah. It looks more like bright from like this. Angle
This is
out.
still really cool. And I hope you guys are enjoying this.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Well, there's like purple.
Little purple clouds. Whoa. Bless you. That one didn't even like make a sound. Whoa, there is the sound. delayed.
No, it's
That was
before.
awesome. That one wasn't delayed. That was also awesome. Whoa. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Sounds like zoom in. Do you even know how fireworks happen?
What was that?
Ooh, it's like millions of
Comment down below, guys. Do you like the big fireworks or like a ton of little ones? Comment down below.
What do you like, Jack?
I probably like the big ones, I think. The sound of the little ones is better to me, though.
Whoa. That was a cool one. Purple
That's
cloud.
far enough. That's far enough. Flap around.
That kind of looks like Mickey. Guys, if you have gone to this part in the slideshow, you are a real one. Sorry about that.
Oh, shoot. Sorry.
Guys, if you love fireworks, you should go to something.
They probably do. I'm gonna zoom it out a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Wow. Was that Taco Bell? That looks like Taco Bell. Mesmerizing. They're planes.
Why do they have
There's like there's like two planes for some reason. Anyway.
They could be like little ones. No, they could be like.
Okay, well guys, I'm gonna like maybe end the video right here.
Because there's a lot of people
Say bye.
and because there's a lot of people and we're getting tired of doing this.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
See ya.
Do you want to get further?
What?